In the fast-paced world of software development, delivering high-quality applications is paramount. Test automation plays a crucial role in achieving this goal. It involves using software tools to execute tests on software applications automatically. This approach offers numerous benefits, including increased speed, accuracy, and efficiency compared to manual testing. Test automation is essential for modern software development. It helps teams find bugs faster, improve software quality, and deliver products to market more quickly. As software applications become more complex, automation is no longer optional, but a necessity. By automating repetitive testing tasks, developers can focus on more critical aspects of development, such as building new features and improving existing ones. This leads to faster development cycles and quicker time to market for software products. Moreover, automation improves test coverage and accuracy, ensuring that software is thoroughly tested before release. In conclusion, test automation is a cornerstone of modern software development, empowering teams to deliver high-quality applications rapidly and efficiently. Two popular test automation tools, Selenium and Cypress, have emerged as leaders in the field. Each tool brings its own strengths and approaches to test automation, catering to different needs and preferences. Selenium, established in the early 2000s, is a veteran in the test automation world. It started as a tool for automating web browser interactions, and it quickly gained popularity for its flexibility and support for multiple programming languages and browsers. Cypress, a relative newcomer, emerged in 2014, focusing specifically on providing a better testing experience for web applications. It gained rapid adoption due to its developer-friendly architecture, fast test execution, and powerful debugging capabilities. While Selenium remains a widely used and robust tool, Cypress has gained significant traction, particularly among developers and testers who prioritize speed, efficiency, and a modern approach to testing. Both tools continue to evolve, adding new features and improvements to better serve the ever-changing needs of the software development landscape. Selenium and Cypress offer a rich set of features for web application testing, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these key differences is crucial for selecting the right tool for your specific needs. Selenium, known for its versatility, supports a wide array of programming languages including Java, Python, C# and JavaScript. This flexibility allows teams to choose the language that best suits their skills and existing code base. Selenium also boasts extensive browser support, enabling testing across all major browsers. Cypress, on the other hand, focuses on providing a more streamlined and developer-friendly experience. It uses JavaScript, a language familiar to many web developers, simplifying the test writing process. Cypress's architecture is tightly integrated with the browser, allowing for faster test execution and more reliable results. One of Cypress's standout features is its built-in retriability and automatic waiting. This means Cypress automatically waits for elements to appear or actions to complete before proceeding with the test, reducing the need for explicit waits and making tests more robust. Selenium, in contrast, relies on explicit waits, which can lead to code complexity and test flakiness if not handled carefully. Both Selenium and Cypress offer unique advantages and disadvantages, making the choice between them depend on the specific requirements of a project. Selenium's biggest strength lies in its flexibility. With support for multiple languages and browsers, it can be integrated into diverse development environments. Its extensive community support and vast resources make it easier to find solutions and get help when needed. However, Selenium's flexibility can also be a double-edged sword. Setting up and configuring Selenium can be complex, especially for beginners. Its dependence on external drivers for browser interaction can introduce compatibility issues and slow down test execution. Cypress, in contrast, shines in its ease of use and speed. Its simple API and built-in features like automatic waiting and time travel debugging make it incredibly developer-friendly. Tests run fast and provide clear and concise feedback, making debugging a breeze. However, Cypress's focus on simplicity comes at the cost of flexibility. It only supports JavaScript, limiting its adoption in environments where other languages are preferred. Its browser support, while continuously expanding, is still not as extensive as Selenium's.